smaller.
The starters for the Portland Trailblazers. Pairing up in the backcourt, Lillard and McCollum. Trevor Ariza out there with Anthony. And it's Whiteside in its center, locking down the middle. And for the Spurs.
And with that great handle and high basketball IQ, McCollum remains a lethal pick-and-roll option.
Here's DeRozan. Shooting foul as the whistle blows. He'll shoot 2 free throws.
And you watch DeRozan play, he still has that explosiveness. Great first step out of the triple threat position. Can switch directions on the go. Is still a handful to slow on the perimeter.
He's perfect from the line this time.